this series of a 2D platformer game, and this video we're going to talk about the layer of a different tile. Okay, so we already got this tile map ready, and I draw a cat. Okay, and if you look, you zoom out, it's a cat, but if you look at here, it's just a pretty normal platformer. I just add Easter egg to this game, but still something lacking here. That's because we got no background here, and we currently just got a sort of a void area here. But let's add some background, shall we? So I'm going to use Discord. So as you guys can see, we bring you guys to Discord server, and we already got this generate. I just type in dark green texture of a pixel game, okay, and I get a pretty nice texture here, and I'm going to save that using the same method to sort of just got inside of our game and make our own time map. And I think I already saved it here as the environment sprite, sorry. And we got the background, okay, and if you look at it, there's just one item inside, so you're going to adjust the sprite mode from single to multiple, and then you have to edit it. Okay, so pixel per unit, let's look at it. Okay, so if you bring it inside and apply, let me just apply that, okay, because you need to apply that in order to bring it in. And okay, I need to sort of sprite editor to edit that, and I sort of need to slice that in order to do that. So cell size, okay, I think because we don't have a specific pattern here, so we can just move to a place that I think is good. Then slice that down and apply that. Okay, because it's multiple, so once you apply that, you can have multiple objects inside, and you can sort of make it a game object and put it inside. Okay, and I think I'm going to change the size a little bit, but since it's the background, I don't think I need to do much of the work. And of course you can just batch install that. Nothing won't go wrong, will go wrong. And for now, let's just because I already got the background, let's just delete it. And for now, we can create a new 2D object. Okay, and we got time map, we got rectangular, and we can rename that. There will be our background time map. So time map can have a multiple time map stacked together. Okay, so there will be a background, there will be our platform time map. Okay, so do remember to choose the right tile map in order to do that. Okay, and currently active tile map is the background time map, and of course you can change that to platform time map. So don't forget to change that. You don't want to paint on the wrong time map, and so if you say you want to paint your background, and you actually paint on the platform time map, then it would all mess things up, and all the previous work will be lost. And another suggestion is that do save open. Because you don't know which step you will get wrong, so you sort of want to roll back to the previous one. Okay, so current is platform. Let me change that to background time map, and what I'm going to do is to import some parts of this background inside. So I'm going to choose everything and just put it inside, and currently we got this environment. I think that's pretty good because This is our environment asset. Okay, so once you're ready, and you can choose from that, and I think this is already pretty good. So what I'm going to do is to just paint with the active brush. So first let me just choose that for you. Okay, so let me just choose all this asset and paint with it. Okay, so paint this much. I think this is pretty good. And yeah, let me add the background. So where's my pen? Here. Okay, let me get the pen. Okay, you can just use it to brush over it, and that will be your background. Of course, this is pretty customizable, so you can use the brush all you like. You can even change the size to make it more efficient, and because it's just me demonstrate that it's pretty versatile, and I'm using it as a brush for paint, for create like digital art thing. You don't need to do pretty strict rule of game development, but rather to use it as a creative field to do things. So let me just use this way of doing things. So it's like a sketch, like a doodle, and but it will bring a pretty unique characteristic to your game. And for me, because I also got a digital art channel, for me I think the game is like a way to express yourself. So you need to express the idea behind all that. So it's not just a game to spend time, but it's like a media, okay, for you to express yourself and to convey a certain meaning, and to leave, in a way, leave a legacy to this world about what you think about this world. Okay, so once you're ready, don't forget, this is not the right order. So as promised, we're going to change order. Okay. Right, guys. So let's talk about the first method of changing the layer. So we choose this tile map, or BG tile map, platform tile map. You can see that at the right side, you can get the sorting layer, default, and ordering layer. Okay, so you can look at here, and order layer is always 0. And what I'm going to do is to change that a little bit. Okay, so you can test it out. You set it to 1, or set it to -1. Okay, so essentially if you set that to -1, this the background will just go backwards, and the platform tile map will go forwards, and you can just change the sort of layout, and you can see. Let me give you this here. Okay, so we got this. Let me just use this one. We got this step. Okay, so step it up, something like this. Okay, and that looks fine. Okay, and of course you can erase things. Let me choose the assistant. Okay, certain tile to erasing. Okay, so this is the first thing. Of course, you can change the layer like this. We got -1 and 0. Of course, if you do not change that, you still got the default 0, and you can change here. Okay, so platform, you get, let's say, 1, and still is just come on top of the background. Okay, and of course, this is a sort of a original method of setting the layer, and I think I already covered that in the previous tutorial, but that's a pretty clunky way of doing things, because the layer number you have to remember. For example, you have hundreds of layers, you can't possibly remember that. So what I'm going to do is to use the sorting layer. Okay, so let me show you how. We got platform, we got background. Okay, so let's just select platform for now, and we got this layer default. Okay, I'm going to add a layer, and in fact I'm going to add this sort of a sorting layer here. Okay, we got that. This is a platform. Okay, so I'm going to say this is a platform layer, and select add background BG layer. Okay, so we essentially add 2 layers, and once I add that, I can exit it. You don't need to save it. You just click anywhere else, it will save. Okay, it will automatically add that, and then you can add this sort of a sorting layer to this will be our platform. Okay, and then this background tile will be our background layer. Okay, and then what I'm going to do is to change the sorting layer. Okay, so we can just click this 2 line here, and we can click and drag it up a little bit, so you know that the background layer is backwards, and the platform layer is upwards, is more closer to you. Okay, and you can just click and drag, so you can clearly see this is as the name suggests, a sorting layer. You can sort things out pretty quickly and intuitively, and I think it's a great way of adjusting things, especially you have a multiple layer. Okay. Right, I think that's pretty much it, and in the next video I'm going to maybe introduce you guys to more about the tile system and make things even more interesting and complex, and then we are going to dive in how to create our player, but for now it's just all about environment. As you guys can see, we just feel the asset inside the environment. Okay, and of course you not required to make a CAD. You can make whatever you like, just be creative and have fun. Okay.